This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history in Google Chrome. So what we can do is just go to Google Chrome and just open this up. So let's go to Google Chrome right here. Then go to the top right and then going down to settings. Then we can go on down and go to privacy and security. Right here is delete browsing history. So we can tap this and we can decide all time. Then we go to browsing history, cookies, cached images, etc. So I'm going to go to the tabs and then I'm going to go to delete browsing history right here. So this is going to delete my browsing history. So if I went to any kind of websites on Google Chrome, it should delete that. Now this isn't deleting your Google search bar history. This is going to be done a different way here. So if we go to the Google search bar, we can see our search history right here. And we can go ahead and delete this in a separate area. So just go to delete down here at the bottom and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.